What's up, everybody? It's Big Rock TV, and I'm back with a long overdue video. Okay? A long overdue video. Alright? This shoe that I purchased, that I'm going to show you today, I ordered it in September. Today, Happy New Year, by the way. Today, when I'm filming this video, is January 2nd, my time here, all right? So, this shoe's late. Now, I'm a little late putting this video together because I got this last week. But still, it took October, November, December, 3 months for this shoe to arrive. It took 2 of those months to even ship it. So, I mean, it's finally here. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. I ordered this shoe not from Adidas. Typically, I do get them from Adidas, but I missed out on the Adidas site. So I had to go ahead and go to Yeezy Supply to order this shoe. And that is why it took so long for them to ship it and for it to get here. So, boom. Here it is. $350. You know that box. Boost. And there it is. There on the side. So these are the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in that cream white colorway. Size 14, of course. Boom. And let's go ahead and get into it, man. Oh, man, I was starting to think that I was never gonna get this shoe, man. So I had given up at one point, was expecting to get a refund, but they actually did go ahead and ship them, man. So long wait. Box fart. All right. Of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Rock TV. Yes, sir. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Yeezy 350 Boost in that cream colorway. Yes, sir. This makes Yeezy number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5th 350 that I have, and the 6th overall Yeezy sneaker in general. I have a 700 and I have a 500 to go with the 5 350s now. So, yeah, man, very dope colorway, very clean colorway. Like, I like that all white. There was something about these. I like the zebras as well. I missed out on those. I tried for the zebras. If I would have got the zebras, I wouldn't have got these. I don't think I needed 2 of the whites. If I didn't get these, I probably would have went for those static ones that just released. But again, you know, I don't feel like I need 5 pairs, or I mean, not 5 pairs, like double the pairs of the same kind of color. You know what I mean? Like double white kind of pairs. I don't need 2 of those, 3 of those. So, I know that's kind of crazy coming from me with all the Jordan ones that I have that are blue and white or blue and black or whatever. But in this shoe, I don't feel like I needed all those of the same colorway. But anyway, so as you can see here, it's mostly white at the top. Then you go around on the bottom here, it's kind of that creamy, that milky colorway going on there. It's a little bit darker on the back here. And then on the inside, you got your 3 stripes here on the back right here. And then you got your Yeezy and Adidas logo on the inside. Of course, what makes these shoes awesome and amazing is that boost right there that makes them so comfortable. I was wearing these today, and hey, man, I know Kanye West is a bit of a clown these days, but these are still, you can remove the name from this shoe, and I'd still want to wear this shoe just because it's comfortable. Like, it's really some of the most comfortable shoes that I own. And that the same could be said for all of the Yeezys. Like, the 700s are comfortable. To me, the 500s are comfortable. Like, this is the way, the comfort on this shoe is what I wanted Adidas to do with the tubulars. I wanted this level of comfort in that shoe. And they did it with the tubular twos. They did that with those because those are extremely comfortable. But I believe that they could take it up another notch with the tubulars and add some boost to them, like their signature model tubular. The tubular 3, when it comes out, they can add some boost to it, and oh man, it'll be amazing. But yeah, that's the level of comfort that I wanted with that shoe. As you can see, the stitching down the middle here. It goes all the way from here and down, and then there's stitching on the back with the pull tab right there. And what else is there? What else is there? There's a boost here. You all can see that. It says boost there. And that's pretty much it. There's a Adidas at the top. Boom. So not too much to this, man. Just wanted to show that these are indeed in-house. Let me pull out the right boy. Right boy! Pull out the right boy right quick, just to make sure everything is copacetic. Right shoe second. See the cream? It is kind of a cream up top. It's just not as dark as, you know, the midsole here, but it is a little creamy. Pause. It is a little creamy up on the top, you know. So yeah, get the right shoe out of here. Anyway, man, I just wanted to go ahead and show you all that these finally have made it to Shoetopia. I've spoken about these in previous videos, and I said they were coming, and they have actually arrived, so I'm glad to have them in the collection. Anyway, that's gonna do it, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. I truly appreciate it. 2018 was a great year for my channel, probably the best year I've had. So thank you all for that. I truly appreciate it. I'll discuss that in a future video as I do kind of a 2018 wrap up. Thank you all for watching. More content is definitely on the way, and I will holler at you all in the next video. Peace.